Good day, everyone. My name is Ofoyeno Hilary, and I'm the winner of the UAMP Alpha Contest. Now, what is UAMP? It simply stands for Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program, and it's the only program you need to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey as a beginner, or even if you just want to step up your sales market and marketing skills. Now, this course is not just for only affiliate marketers. It can be used if you have a business. You can apply the techniques and the strategies in this particular course to your business if you own a brand, or you just want to sell something online or offline. The UAMP is the way to go. Now, how did I start promoting the UAMP course? First of all, I was actually just looking for a stress-free course for I and my students because I'm quite busy. Although I do have a mentorship bundle for my students, I wanted something that was easy and they could follow the step by steps from the course and a mentorship bundle, and they could kickstart their affiliate marketing journey. And I think one of my friends that I made on this online space, she told me, "Oh, this course is good and stuff like that." So I wanted to just kickstart it and try it out. So I went to Stakecut. I signed up for my free Stakecut account. If you don't know, Stakecut is free, so go sign up. I signed up for my free Stakecut account, and then I started promoting the course. And I can tell you from the testimonies of a lot of my students, most of my students, even without my constant guidance, have been able to implement the strategies and the techniques taught in this course to their own businesses and have been seeing very, very, very good results. As I said before, the reason I started promoting this course is because I was just looking for something stress free on the part of my students. I wanted them to have something that they could easily learn from, in addition to my mentorship bundle and my mentorship techniques and all of that. So I didn't even know about the alpha contest until it was too late. Although I signed up on Stakecut, I think around December 14th, thereabouts. In December, I signed up on Stakecut in December and started promoting the course. So my friend, the one that told me about Stakecut in the first place, she told me about this contest that particular course was having. Then because I promoted the course, I got to know that the course was actually owned by the owner of Stakecut, and I was like, okay, why don't I give this contest a try? It was already late. I didn't even think that I could actually smash the sales. It was already late. Then I applied. Then I started making sales. I didn't take it really seriously because I was going through a whole hectic stuff with school and just life in general. So I applied. I didn't even know I was moving up on the leaderboard until one day that might, like, you see why it's good to have good friends, make friends in this online space, guys. So she told me that, oh, her name is Stephanie Uchago, by the way, and she's a really, really good affiliate marketer, and she's one of the people that I have met and has really supported me being a friend and all of that. So she told me that, oh, you are on the leaderboard, oh, like, take this sales challenge serious. Then I was like, ah, that means I can actually win this. So I started taking the contest seriously, very, very seriously. Not very seriously, Sha, because I am this kind of no stress person, and my funnel is a very, very simple. It's a very, very simple funnel. I like the simple things. Don't overcomplicate your funnel, guys. It's not. It doesn't really help for me. So what helps for me is keeping things simple. So by the time I knew that I was in the leaderboard, like, I was actually climbing. So I was like, oh, this is actually kind of fun. I started having fun with it. So I started promoting, and before I knew it, before I knew it, the owner of Stakecut, which is Joshua Mba, he really supported me a lot in just this ginger and vibe. Like, okay, you are not alone. Stakecut reached out to me in a way that, oh, they made me feel at home. Like, I hadn't won the contest yet, though. So I wasn't even almost there before they started, like, reaching out to me and letting me know that, oh, they support me and all of that. So he reached out to me and started giving me the support that I needed. So now my tip for how I won the alpha contest is, as I said before, keep your funnel very simple. The truth is, I've noticed a lot of affiliate marketers, even my own students, they are looking for this special recipe or this special thing that you are doing that is making you different from others. The truth is, number one, keep your funnel simple. Number two, consistency. The power of compound effort is very, very, very real. You don't think, like, my first sale, the type when I was a newbie in affiliate marketing, the first time I made a sale, I made 5 sales in one day. I had been I had been building like building blocks until you will just be surprised the day your effort is going to pay off. You will just be surprised. So compound effort is very real. Compound effort is very real, and do not overcomplicate your funnel. And if you're a newbie, your course is your best friend. Implement. Implement. See, mentors and courses can only go so far. What makes you an affiliate marketer is your ability to be flexible to changes, your ability to be able to implement what you have learned. That's just the truth. Some of you just get courses and you keep looking for new things. Meanwhile, the secret to make money is actually in that course that you got. I tell a lot of my students this thing that take your time, go through your course, then start implementing. Don't look for new hacks, new tricks. Find something simple and implement, and let the principle of compound effort work for you. That's what I do. Like I don't think I've changed my funnel in a very, 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 very long time. Although I've been flexible with a lot of things like my lead magnet and stuff like that. I've been flexible. Sometimes when I post some of my sales screenshots online, I get a lot of my students asking me, Ma, how do you do this? Ma, how do you do that? And I'll be like, I'm not hiding anything from you guys. Every single thing I do is in the mentorship bundle. But some of them will just be like, it's not that easy. But the truth is, everything that I put in my mentorship bundle for my students, the way I teach my students, it's every single thing that I do. So, and a lot of them that have actually, most of them that have actually sat down to follow like the way I do, the way I teach, and all of that, they have actually seen results. So, if you are a student or you have a mentor out there, like probably your mentor has given you all you need to succeed. It's just left for you to implement. Don't look for new things or new hacks. Implement what you have learned first and get results from those. I'm not saying do not be flexible. As I've said before, the only changes I have made to my funnel is things I have learned by myself on the go with implementation, not things that I have learned from any guru online or stuff. It's things that because I've been implementing consistency is key, please. Because I've been implementing these things consistently, I've learned some things on the go, like some little tips on how to talk to customers better, how to do my follow-ups better, like how to just portray myself, better and all of that. So sometimes you need to leave the buying of courses and like be consistent looking for new information everywhere to prevent information overload and just work with what you have. So if you got the UAMP course, I can tell you for free that all you need to succeed is in that course. It's in that course. And all you need to do to win this next sales challenge is in that same course. Just find a simple funnel that works for you and be consistent. Then write a goal for yourself. Goals help a lot because I told myself that okay, even if I enter the challenge late, like I wanted to smash the um the 50 sales goal before the 23rd of January. Like I didn't know how I was going to do it, but I already had a funnel that works. So I just made little changes here and there, and I was golden. I didn't change anything. I didn't do more than what I was already doing before. Just little bit of improvement and doubling up on the effort. Like if I was putting 20%, I increased it to 60 and 80 and so forth. So another mega contest is coming, and I know a lot of you are wondering if I will be participating. Yes, I will be. I will be. Right now, I'm in school, so I'm still trying to juggle a lot of things. But yes, I will be participating. So this next contest, which my very good friend Joshua Umba is going to introduce to all of you in a couple of minutes. This next contest that is coming up is something you do not want to miss because apart from the sales commissions you are getting, like apart from the sales commissions I got a hefty cash prize for winning us or smashing the sales goals for the contest. So he's going to be giving you a lot of the details about the contest, but if you know you haven't written your goals for your affiliate marketing business this year, like start writing it. April is not far. Don't look at the time as April is not far, but if you start now, like start getting your leads, start simplifying your funnel, like start putting everything in place, create a system that works for you. And I'm telling you that we're going to have some serious competition around here. And as I've said, it would be nice to see more people win. And I just want to say that like all this wouldn't have been possible without God. he's the one that puts me here. Like, forget the funnels and everything. Nothing would have been possible without God. And apart from that, I had a lot of support from Stakecut. I had a lot of support from Joshua, but just a lot of encouragement. Encouragement that even if, oh, I'm not feeling like working today, like I'm just like, oh, I have to like get this done, I have to get that done. So it's being a part of the Stakecut family is just this wonderful experience that I want you all to have. So don't even get it twisted. You're not going to be alone. You are going to have a lot of support from here and there. So now, another reason why you should hop on this contest, because the UAMP course is one of the easiest courses to promote, because not only is it affordable for the kind of results that it gives. I think 25K or 24K when you add 25K when you add the literature charge on top is actually a steal for the amount of results I have seen from my students. Like, it's very affordable, it is straightforward when it comes to implementation. A lot of my students have been able to create their landing pages without even my help and all of that. So if you want something that it will give you good commissions, it's very easy to promote. You're not going to stress yourself. Your students are going to understand very well and get good value for their money. Then I recommend the UAMP course for you. Then I would like to add that I want to give a special thanks to my mom, a couple of my friends, Stephanie, Marvelous. They really helped me. They really helped me in this period I was promoting the course. Like, you guys should just get good people around you that they are going to even encourage you when you are not feeling that there's any result. And I also want to thank God, because He was there in the moment when I thought I couldn't actually smash the challenge with the small time I had, because I really wanted to smash this challenge for myself, to at least know that, okay, I think this is my first challenge that I'm winning. So lots more to come. And I want to see you guys on the other side of success, as I will tell a lot of my students. And I also want to thank my students too, because this wouldn't have been possible without you guys. I want to thank my students, both the ones that follow my instructions and the one that just need a little bit of encouragement along the way. You guys make affiliate marketing and being a mentor so worth it. I wouldn't be here without your help. And I want to see a lot of my students are going to be winning these challenges. You guys should just wait. You guys are going to be asking, who's our mentor? But you're going to find out that it's me. So I want to like send this as a special encouragement to not just my students, to anybody that is listening. You can do it. It's very doable. It's very doable. And another thing that you need to like keep at the top of your head is money not dey too much for person hand. So like, get this money. Even if that's your only encouragement, like, get that money. I think that's all, and I am so glad to join you guys on this live stream. Bye bye.